Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious homemade whipped cream from scratch. It's so good, very versatile, and delicious, and not too sweet. So let's get straight into it. I also combined it with this cute little dessert. I'm going to show you how I did that as well. So these are some strawberries that I chopped up. I'm going to kind of sort of macerate them. Y'all, I usually macerate the strawberries with alcohol. I'm not going to lie. But today I'm just going to use some sugar and a navel orange. But you can use alcohol. You know, shoot, just use alcohol and keep it going. But I added 2 tablespoons of sugar and the juice of the navel orange. By the way, this turned out so delicious and was like the right choice to make. Like I said, I always use alcohol, and that's pretty much how I do it. So now I'm going to mix this up and put it in a refrigerator while I work on the whipped cream. And that's pretty much it. This recipe is so cheap. It's dirt cheap. It's easy to make and it's really fast. So if you're in a pinch and you want to throw something together for like a little gathering. So these are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need some heavy whipping cream, some sugar, and vanilla. I just bought the whipping cream that was on sale in my grocery store. So this is my rubber mitten. My hand towels didn't keep my bowl stabilized, so I used my rubber mitten. My bowl was also in the freezer to get it nice and cold because you want everything to be cold. So the heavy cream was cold, the bowl is cold, so that your whipped cream can, whip up really well. So I started off on the number 1 setting, and then I moved up to number 2. And I usually do this a few seconds before I add the sugar. Some people add it all at once, but I do it just to get it nice and fluffy and going. Maybe it's paranoia, who knows? But then I add the sugar, and then I'll go for about 4 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. Y'all, I remember in culinary school, we had to do this by hand with a whisk. And it was such an arm workout. So thank goodness for grown-up money and kitchen equipments, because honey, no. So now I'm gonna add the vanilla down in here, mix it up some more, and that's it. We're done. Like, it's done. That's it. It's nice and fluffy, delicious, not too sweet, and it's so simple. Anybody can literally make this whipped cream. All right, so this is the strawberries right here. They're nice and macerated. They broke down some. They were only in the refrigerator for maybe 15 or 20 minutes, not that long at all, but this was perfect for me. So as you can see, made a lot more juice than what we added to it. I only used half of my navel orange, so it wasn't much liquid that I added there at all. So these little cake things, I found them in the strawberry section. They're right there. You cannot miss it. They're always next to the strawberries in every single grocery store. You can't miss it. So I'm just going to layer it, strategically. Just put the strawberries down and put some of the juice down. Y'all, the juice from this strawberry with the navel orange, like, it's so good. Like, I would eat a whole bowl of navel orange juice and strawberries because that's how good it is. And look how fluffy and perfect this whipped cream is. So then, of course, you're gonna dollop it right on top. Put as much or as little as you want. I think I probably kind of sort of went overboard, but that's okay. That's okay. This is a whipped cream video. And, I wanted y'all to really see what it looks like and how it would look when you make it at home, especially if you don't have a stand-in mixer or if you don't know how to make whipped cream yourself at home. You know what's in the whipped cream, when you make it yourself. I only use 3 ingredients, all natural ingredients. And, the stuff in the store, it has so many ingredients in it. And so sometimes I'm able to make it, sometimes I'm not, but I do prefer the homemade stuff. I put some more strawberries on top, and that's it. Perfect, delicious, something quick, quick on your feet. You got to make something shake. You're just going to make this, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. If you're going to make this recipe, comment and also tag me on my social media. And, I'll repost you. But, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye!